Hi, my name is Mark. I'm from Proofsafe. We're supporting the Where We're Wedgie project with our app, and this is a short, hopefully, video on the very basics. Now I'm going to try and rush through this so that we don't take up too much of your time. There is a longer video with a lot more detail. So firstly, you need to get the app from the App Store or the Play Store. That's our icon at the top. Once you have the app installed, you will open it and then log in. The login details are volunteer and wedgie. Don't register a new business. Can't see what I'm doing here. Wedgie. There it is. When I hit the auto type button, it put a space after wedgie. We need to get rid of that space. Then log in. And this is the home screen. It's very important initially to update your forms and lists by pressing that button. You'll have a lot more than one. It will be very quick. Once you've uploaded those forms, you're ready to go. Proofsafe works offline. You can take this out in the field. You don't need phone coverage. And then once you've collected all your data offline, you can come back and then upload. The only button you need to worry about here is the blue one, Where We're Wedgie. So we're going to open that. And that gives us a list of forms. The first form is the official survey. That's the one you'll use on the weekend. The second one is a practice survey, and we would encourage you to use that and mess about and create some files and upload them. I'm going to open that. And it's given me here a list of my results. I have no results. So to create a new form, open a new form, I'll use the plus button up the top. And it's opened that form. The first thing you'll see is a range of information and links. Up here I'm going to close, I'll just minimize those, get them out of my way. The form is actually in 3 layers. This is the main parent layer, and it's got square details and team details, and we can expand those with the little arrow. Expand and again minimize. Then the 10-minute survey is a subform and it's repeatable. We need to do that 6 times through the day. You'll see these little I buttons. They open some instructions. Read those. We encourage you strongly to read those. And then for each 10-minute survey, you'll press this plus button. It'll open up a repeatable subform. You'll answer the questions, put in the times and so forth. When you're here, if you see a bird during that 10-minute survey, you'll press yes to this question, any birds of prey, you press yes, and it opens up another repeatable subform. So for each bird, you'll press plus on the bird details. I'll do that now. The time you saw them, and various questions related to the bird. There is a mapping question, and if you open that mapping question up by pressing the icon, it gives you your map. You can zero in on your location with this button in the top right, and you can zoom, of course, and then select a position with this button down the bottom left. Okay, and then save and exit top left. So we've now collected some bird details. I'm going to save and exit out of there. I now have 1 bird details within the 10-minute survey. And then I'm going to exit the form completely, even though it's not complete. Exit out of there. And that's showing me a result for the 5th of May. And to upload, once I'm back in range, I'll just hit this upload button and that'll take me out. It doesn't like that I haven't completed all the questions, so it needs me to go back in and finish that. That's the basics. Any questions, let us know. And of course, look at the longer video. And we hope you have a great weekend.